Congratulations! You have now completed the strategic planning processes for ecosystem restoration journey. Throughout this journey, you have explored how to turn restoration ambition into action through good governance, meaningful participation, and practical planning. You learn how to identify and engage the right stakeholders, ensure safeguards are in place to protect people and ecosystems, and build trust through inclusive, transparent processes. You set a clear vision, define goals and indicators, and develop a strategy that is both measurable and grounded in shared priorities. Most importantly, you discovered how to move from strategy to action by outlining concrete tasks, assigning roles, creating realistic timelines, and preparing a budget that reflects real-world needs and risks. This journey showed that successful restoration doesn't begin with planting. It begins with people, planning, and partnerships. And it's not just about having a good strategy on paper, but about making sure the process is inclusive, adaptable, and ready for real-world challenges. Now it's time to put your learning to the test. The following questions will challenge you to apply what you have learned, not just to recall facts, but to think through real-world scenarios. Let's begin.